In this video, I want to show you how you can use the Change All Fonts feature of the Mega Pack to quickly change the font and the styling and coloring, etc. in any PDF, PowerPoint or OpenOffice file. So once the Mega Pack is loaded, next to choose an option, we're going to choose Change All Fonts here, hit OK, and then we're going to choose the file that we want to change all fonts in. So let's start by showing you a PDF file. But again, as I said, you can choose a PDF, OpenOffice or PowerPoint. Hit Open. And then we have our options. So to start with, we can choose if we want to change our font. Now, do note when you run this on a PDF file, even if you don't want to change the font, there can be small discrepancies, etc. in the placement and the font. So for the best experience, if you are using this with a PDF, I do recommend you choose a font if you want to guarantee the look that you're going to get. After this, we have an option to change the font color if we wish. So again, we can choose absolutely any color that we want here. Let's go for a light gray. And then we now have options to change the font size if we wish. We can change the alignment as well. And both the vertical and the horizontal alignment we can change. And lastly, if we want to change the font to be bold and or italic. So once you're happy with your settings here, hit Save As. And you can save as a PowerPoint file, PDF file on OpenOffice presentation. Let's save as barbecue 2. And we hit Save, hit OK. Just wait for that conversion to complete. Okay, it's done successfully. Let's now go into our folder here. Let's load up our original. And let's also load up number 2. So as you can see here, it's gone through and it's changed the color and the font. Go down all the way down. It's changed all the colors and the fonts for me. But again, as I said previously, if you are doing this with a PDF file, especially, do make sure you go over and check, because there will be discrepancies in the formatting, etc. So now I've shown you a PDF. Close both of them. Let's go back into the Mega Pack, back to Change All Fonts, and I'll show you a PowerPoint file. Now again, regardless if you've created this PowerPoint file or OpenOffice file, the principle is exactly the same. Whether you've created it in PowerPoint, OpenOffice, LibreOffice, Keynote, using something like Google Slides, you can use it in here, no problem at all. So let's hit Browse, and then let's go to my PowerPoint file. And again, this time I'm not going to change the font. I'm going to change the color. Let's go to a light gray again. I'm going to leave everything else the same, so the font size, the alignment, and the styling. Hit Save As, and we'll call this Anxiety Log 2. Hit Save, then OK. And now that's complete. Let's go into the folder and have a little look. So we have our original, and then our new version as well. So as you can see, because this is a PowerPoint file, and the same is true for an OpenOffice file, the formatting is exactly the same. It's just a straight change on the font or the coloring, etc. that you choose. Like so. The one thing to bear in mind though is if you do change the font and it's a different size, you may find an issue with it overlapping over the edge of the box or something like that, being too tall. So again, best practice is to just go through the file and have a quick check to make sure everything is how you expect it to be. So I hope this quick video helps you get started with the change all fonts feature of the Megapack. Thank you for watching.